Blow a crank, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, blow a crank. This is a less common English expression, but it's intriguing and can add flair to your language skills. So, let's dive in. Blow a crank is an idiomatic expression. The phrase is not used in everyday conversation and might not be familiar to many English speakers. It's important to understand that idiomatic expressions often cannot be understood from the meanings of their individual words. Instead, they have a figurative meaning that's different from the literal meanings of the words. The origin of blow a crank is not widely known or documented. Often, idiomatic expressions come from historical, cultural, or social references that might lose their context over time. In this case, it might be a phrase that has fallen out of common usage, or it could be regional. Given its obscurity, using blow a crank in a sentence can be challenging. It's essential to know your audience and understand whether they are familiar with this phrase. If you choose to use it, ensure that the context is clear enough for the listener to infer the meaning. If you're unsure about using blow a crank, there are many other expressions in English that convey similar meanings or feelings. Consider using more common phrases, depending on the intended meaning of blow a crank. For example, lose one's temper, or fly off the handle, might be suitable alternatives. We hope this video has been enlightening. Blow a crank is a unique phrase in the English language, and understanding such expressions can enrich your language skills. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in discovering and understanding the diversity of expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.